We left off here on problem 5. B said Walt tells the boy a story and he falls asleep. And C said Walt explains why the shadow looks like a monster. So, how did they solve the problem? Well, we know it can't be A because Walt said that light does move right here. It says it can move. And remember, the story said nothing about him falling asleep. So, that's not it. Let's see, what did C say? Let's make sure this is correct. Walt explains why the shadow looks like a monster. Well, is that what Walt does through the rest of it? Yes, Walt explains how the light does silly things, and there's no monster right here. Question 6. What makes the boy think the monster moves? Walt moves the chair. Car lights move the shadow across the room. The boy doesn't see the shadow very well. And if you look right here, right at the end, lines 21, 22, and 23, that's where he explains that it was the car lights that were moving. What can you tell about Walt? A, he studies math a lot. B, he thinks his little brother is funny. C, he cares about his younger brother. All right, let's make an inference about Walt. What can we infer? What is Walt like? And what makes you think that? Well, if it had said he studied science a lot, I might have agreed with that. But math, I don't think so. B, he thinks his little brother is funny. Well, nowhere in there did it say that he was laughing or smiling at him or anything. So I don't think that's the right answer either. But he cares about his younger brother. And I remember right here, as soon as the little brother screamed, Walt quickly said, "What's giving you such a fright?" So that shows me that he cares about his younger brother. All right. Next passage is called Sundogs. How many sons do we have? We only, sorry, let me start again. Sundogs. How many sons do we have? We have only one real sun near Earth. Yet on some days, you can see 3. Only one is the real sun. The other 2 are mock suns or sundogs. Sundogs are smaller, shiny patches of light around the sun. They are to the right and left of the real sun. Sometimes you see a ring of light around the sun. This light is called a halo. Why are the patches of light called sundogs? Because people compare them to dogs. They follow the sun like a little dog follows a person. For sundogs to form, the air has to be just right. It must be cold and icy. Tiny bits of ice must be in the air. Sunlight sparkles as it passes through the bits of ice. This makes a bright light in the sky. Glossary. Halo, noun, a circle of light, page 323. Mock, adjective, not real, imitation, page 323. Question 8. Which words from the passage tell how the sundogs look? Tiny bits, cold and icy, bright lights. Well, here in the passage, right the very last line, I see bright light in the sky. Correct answer is C, bright lights. How are you doing so far? Remember to pause as much as you need to. What is a halo? A circle of light, a mock sun, a little dog. Well, I could go find it in the text, but I could also go right to that glossary and remember it is a circle of light right there. Halo. I'll meet you in the next video for question 10.